Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V Tutorials. Today we'll be looking at a very crucial video ahead of Hamster Kombat listing. So before I dive into that, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos, okay? And if you are returning viewers and you are kind of yet to subscribe to this amazing channel, please do well to subscribe, like my videos, and as well share my videos, okay? So today we'll be looking at how you can convert and withdraw your Hamster Kombat coin. Okay, so first thing first, this is the Hamster Kombat interface. Okay, a token that is earned by tapping. So keep tapping, don't stop. Okay, so the first thing you just need to do is to navigate yourself to this downside and click. Make sure your wallet is well linked. Okay, so if you click on this place, make sure this place is also ticked, right? So because make sure this place is ticked, because this is where your token allocations is going to drop this wallet. Okay, if you click on it, you're going to see your wallet. If your wallet is not showing like this, that is, you have not properly connect your wallet. Okay, so if your token fall in here, the volumes of your token will be available here, right? If you see the token that is allocated to you is available here, then the next thing that you just need, the next thing that will come to your mind is how would you move this token from this very wallet of tone to your Bybit or to your preferred exchange for withdrawal. Okay, so the next thing that you must know is that, or you must do, is that you first come to swap, whatever volume is allocated here. Okay, so you're going to click on swap. So the moment you click on swap, you allow it to load. Okay, if you allow it to load, something of this nature is going to appear to you. Okay, so the next thing that you will need to do is to click on this place to swap the tone down. Okay, because here is supposed to be hamster and here is supposed to be tone. Okay, because you are converting this to this, right? Okay, so all we just need to do is to click on here, as I said earlier. So we're going to go into touch that now to switch this from up down. Okay, now we're going to receive a tone using what? Hamster. Okay, but currently the only reason you are not seeing hamster here is because hamster is not yet launched. The moment Hamster Kombat is launched, you will see it here. Okay, so we're going to click on this place. So if you click on this very place now, you're going to go into search on hamster coins here. Okay, you're going to go into search for hamster coin here. So let's search HMST. You see, the only reason why it's not appearing yet is because hamster is not yet launched. All right, so the moment you search for the hamster and it's being shown, the volume that is going to be here, you will see a particular volume here. Okay, that volume now will now be converted. Okay, the volume whole hamster will be converted to whole tone. That's the first thing you must do. Okay, having converted to tone, you will come back to this place and click on send. Okay, you will click on send here. That is, you want to withdraw those tones that is available in your tone wallet now. Okay, so on this now, you come back to Bybit account. If you come back to Bybit account, we're going to go into search for your tone wallet. Okay, what are we going to do? We're going to search for the tone wallet. Okay, so you click on your asset here. So having clicked on the asset, we're going to go into look for what do we want to do here. We're going to deposit here. It's deposit that we want to do, right? So we'll go ahead to click on the deposit. Okay, if you click on the deposit, you're going to go into navigate yourself to deposit crypto. Click on the deposit crypto. So on this occasion now, you're going to go into search for the tone wallet. Okay, so you come to this place now to write tone. Okay, if you write tone here, you just search. There's tone here. There's tone here as well. You can choose anyone that you want. Okay, so I'll click on the tone in order to what, to get the wallet generated. Okay, so clicking on the tone now, I've gotten the wallet. All right, this is the wallet. You can see. So the next thing I just need to do is to copy the wallet. Okay, just click on this small box to copy the wallet. Right, so I'm going to copy the wallet here. So I'm done here. I'll now what, go back to my tone wallet. Now I'm going back to my tone wallet, right? So please, if there's anything you don't get here, do not forget to ask question. Drop your question at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. Okay, yeah, let's come back. So I'm going to go into paste the wallet here. You see, the wallet is being pasted. You must include the note from the exchange for transfer. Without it, your fund will be lost. Okay, so this requirement, you go back to this place, right? You go back to this place to copy the tag and paste it in the requirement. Okay, for successful transfer, please make sure the tag memo is accurate. Okay, you're gonna go in to get your tag, come back to this place to paste it. Then you will click on what? You will click on continue. Okay, if you click on continue, you just go ahead and your pin will be required because there's a pin you created when creating the tone wallet. The pin will be required and everything will be transferred from there to here. Okay, so the moment it's been transferred to this very place, it will now appear under your tone wallet. Okay, it will now appear under your tone wallet. Okay, so that is all for now. If you do have any question regarding this or regarding any other of my video, do well to drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being with me and I will see you in my next video. Bye.